everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is where everything goes. We are going to do a quick unboxing. I got my last birthday gift for the month today and I'm just gonna take it out. Make sure I'm in focus. The last video, I am so sorry y'all, I was not in focus, but don't worry, I have this right here to let me know I am in focus. So I'm on my P's and Q's. I wasn't looking at my iPad as intently as I should have. Anyways, ta-da! All right, so I got this during the Prime Day sale thingy on Amazon, but I guess because it was just released, I didn't get anything off, to be honest. I still paid the regular price. I did not get the creator bundle. I just don't think it's necessary because reason being, I already have the mic right here. I bought the mic when I bought it came actually as a bundle with my Ace Pro 2. So this is the mic right here. I don't really talk on my Ace Pro 2. I usually use it for B-roll and for quick shots. And right now I have my Ace Pro 2 in a case, and I got this case from the TikTok shop and it was like $40 I think, but it's really cool because I can record using that button to open up. The lighting is changing. That's great. A cloud covered the sun. Anyways, oh, we're back. And to open it, you push that up, it lifts, it comes out, and that's the actual size. Now I did get ND filters for this camera because the glare outside is so bad, but other than that, I really do like it for quick B-rolls, and I just feel more confident vlogging outside. So if you are a shy girl or if you're a new vlogger and you're just wanting to start small, I highly recommend the Ace Pro 2. So I have watched a lot of reviews. How the heck do let me figure out how to open this because it is giving me the blues. Okay, so this is embarrassing. All right, it doesn't matter. We are learners over here. We are forever students. And that's how you open it, guys. Okay, so it's not a push up. It's a boom, boom, boom. Okay. Anyways. Sorry y'all. Wow. Okay, so I did a lot of reviews on, not a lot of reviews, I've watched a lot of reviews on this camera. I actually just got through watching one this morning before before this was delivered to my door, and it was just made me even more excited and very confident in my purchase. So this is what it looks like. We're gonna take that off. This is the case. As you can see, I could put the wide angle lens, yeah, and the black mist filter, which I kept going back and forth on, do I want to get the creator bundle or not? And I was just like, you know, I can buy the wide angle lens and the black mist filter on its by themselves. It's not a big deal. I already have the mic. I don't need another mic, to be honest. Let's take off the paper. What you want to be? Okay. Lunar. He said his name is Lunar because he's what? Out of this world. I get it. I get it. Take your stuff. Okay. So I flipped it. Okay, it's turning on. So what is this? Hello. Okay, so I need to select. I do have the app, so I have to do the setup process. That's what it looks like. It's having me set it up real quick, so let me go ahead and do that. I am so sorry. I had to cut the cameras because I had a whole bunch going on. First, it was the Insta360 app taking 10 minutes to download again. Found out it was going through an update, so there is that, because I had it offloaded for a pretty long time. All right, I have the battery adapter on the bottom. I don't like these little make sure y'all can see these little stands, because when I sit it down, it just, you see that, it just flattens. I don't understand the purpose. It does have the female for the tripod, so you have that. Very heavy. It's heavy compared to the DJI. It's heavy duty. It makes me a little nervous, like really nervous, because if you drop this, it's a wrap. So it makes me want to be more careful. I'm careful with all my cameras, but I don't know, something about a gimbal like that kind of bothers me a little bit. Anyway, so I was able to set up everything on my Insta360 app. What I do like is that it gives you a tutorial on how to use it on the actual viewfinder. So I'll quickly show you to turn it on. It comes on like that. So I already set it up, so it's looking at me. It is so crispy when I was doing the preview. So my camera, in fact, did die. But that's cool. While it was on a charger, I went on ahead and filmed on the new camera. The quality, great. Love it. Especially because I film with natural lighting. I cannot complain. I'm going to add a clip right here of the video I'm going to be uploading, which is going to be my birthday haul. I shot an iLog, so I could color grade. Now, if you want to look at videos before you make that purchase, I highly recommend the Tech Talk. He does a huge comparison with the DJI Pocket 4, the DJI Pocket 4P, and the Insta360 Luna Ultra camera. Now, if you want to see how well it color grades, if you are into color grading like I am, Peter McKinnon. Yeah, so that's it. We are done. Check out my next video. Have a great day, week, year, month. Just be you. Love you. Bye.